Hello students, today we are going to start next exercise of chapter number 7, that is exercise 7.2. This exercise is also totally depend on the 5 congruency rule which we have already discussed in our last lecture, that are angle side angle, side angle side, angle side, and side, and last one was RHS, that means right angle, hypotenuse and the side. So let's start our exercise. This is the questions, figure is given in the question. You are given that AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector, that means here is angle 90 degree on both of the side, and bisector means which divide a line into two equal part. That means BC is equal to BD is equal to DC. You have to show that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means the triangle which have two equal sides. So here we have to show this triangle ABC have two equal sides. In any question, if you have to show any two sides, any two angles are equal, for this purpose you always try to find out two triangles and show that triangles congruent, because we know if we have proved two triangles congruence, then its remaining parts are equal by CPCT. So if we have to show this triangle is isosceles, we try to equate any two sides. If we try to equal these two sides, then first of all find out any two triangle in which these two sides are included. Given, you can write the given from the statement, and to prove, what will be write in the to prove ABC is an isosceles triangle. So to prove, in the to prove you can also write from the statement. Next is proof. In proof, first of all write name of the two triangles which you try to congruent. Triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Now find out three terms in these two triangles which are equal. First is AD side is common in both of the triangle. Next is both of the triangle have angle 90 degree. If you don't want to write the complete name, you can mark here angle 1 and angle 2. So we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2, because reason is each is equal to 90 degree. Next is BD is equal to DC. Reason because AD is perpendicular bisector. Bisector of BC. So now find out which rule is followed here. Side and included angle. So we can write here by side angle side rule, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts are equal by CPCT. So we can say that AB is equal to AC by CPCT. If these two sides are equal, then we can say this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now let's do next question. In next question, you are given a triangle and two altitude. Altitude means perpendicular, which make 90 degree angle with the base. Here A, B, C, DC and BA are altitude. That means if BA is altitude, then it make 90-degree angle with base. From this point a line is drawn. That means this is the base and here is formed 90-degree angle. DC is also altitude. So here is also we have 90-degree angle. In this question we have to show these two altitudes are equal. So first of all, find out the triangle in which these two altitudes are included. Here we have many triangles, but we have to choose two triangles in which these two altitudes are included. So we can choose two triangles. First is A, B and E, this triangle in which BE is altitude, and next we can choose A, C and D in which DC altitude is included. So here in the given we can write from the statement to prove. What will we write in to prove? We have to show altitudes are equal. That means to prove BE is equal to DC. In proof, first of all, we will write the name of the triangle. First triangle is ABE and second one is AD and C. ABC triangle is an isosceles triangle which is given in the question. If this is an isosceles triangle, then means its two sides are equal. So we can say that AB side is equal to AC side. Reason you can write given, or you can say that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Next is in this triangle, if you don't want to write the complete name, you can mark here angle 1 and angle 2. Both of the angle is equal to 90 degree. Next is when we see here in both of the triangle, angle A is common. Angle A is common in both of the triangle. So we can say angle A is common. Now we have to find out which rule we have followed here. Two angle and one side. Either it will be angle side angle or it will be angle angle side. These two angle but side is not included in both of the angles. So we will choose here angle angle side. These two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts are equal. So we can say all of the parts are equal and we need here BE and DC. So BE is equal to DC by CPCT. So in any question, if we have to show any two angle or any two sides are equal, what will we do? We try to find out the two triangles in which these two sides or angle are included. After this we will prove these two triangles congruent, because if two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts are equal by CPCT. Okay.